Hi guys, today we are going to unbox and see CP Plus home camera. This I got it from Flipkart, and let's quickly see. So these are the features. It has 2 MP camera. It can record full HD video. It also has a motion tracking option, and on back side you can see the MRP as 4,000 rupees, but you get below 2,000 in Flipkart. So let's see what's inside the box. So you get some user manual. So this is the camera itself. It has a plastic cover on it. So let's see what else is inside. So that's it for this box. So inside this box we have, and you get the other box. In this box you get the charging adapter, and you get a wall mounted tool here with some screws, as well as you get charging cable. Yeah, that's it for the box. So regarding the connectivity, so you can connect the webcam using the app, which is the EasyCam Plus app. It is both available in Android and iOS. So for that, simply go to the Play Store, and this is the app. So initially you need to sign in. You need to create a new account, give some password for this particular app, and once it is done, you get like this. So this is the home page. Now you need to see the camera. So this is our camera, but before that you need to provide charging power supply to this. So let's connect the power supply to that. Also specs wise, I forgot to mention. So if you just scroll the camera up, you can see this is the memory card. You can keep 128 GB memory here, and these are the speakers where you can talk using the camera. And this is the LAN port. You can connect either the LAN or using the Wi-Fi. You can access this cam, and this is the power supply of so this is the cable. So this cable is quite long, about 1.5 meter. So I am attaching to it.
Starting now. Please wait. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah, as you heard, it is waiting for the connection with the app. So I am clicking the model number. So I'm going next. So I have entered my Wi-Fi details. Either you can click this open option and click it, or you can manually type your Wi-Fi name. Yeah. So after that you can see it is saying you need to place the mobile phone like this, 15 to 20 centimeters apart from the camera. So let's see.
Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait.
So it said Wi-Fi is connecting.
Wi-Fi connection success.
Yeah, it is successful. Yeah, now I can click. I heard the prompt. Yeah, click done and click test. Yeah, so once it is connected, you can see this is how the camera interface is, and here is the camera. So these are the toggles. You can move right, left, you can see. And this is the maximum it will rotate. Yeah, so apart from that also you have other features like yeah, you have motion detection, motion tracking. Yeah, you can see, suppose any object is passing by the camera, it will detect and it will follow it. And there are a bunch of options as well. You can take the screenshot and you can store the camera, whatever the was recorded into the SD card, so on. Yeah, so this is the total unboxing and bit detailed overview of the CP Plus home Wi-Fi camera. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.